Yes, alright guys, I'm happy that we are still together. So in this video, let's make some animation of an airplane of this kind. You see that the airplane starts from this point and then shifts and then heads up. So let's make this tutorial using HTML and CSS only and do a 3D animation of this kind. So just go straight to your desktop. I have a new folder here, and when you look at this folder, I have 3 images. I have the airplane, the background, and then I have the road. So if you need this I will make sure that I provide the source for these images so that you can download and you can use them for free. So let's get started. I will check in the description. I'll make sure that I provide the source for these images. So when you drag your folder in VS Code, this is the folder. So let me create a new file. I need to create a new file, index.html. But let me first have a look. Sorry, let me put this in a folder called images. I don't want to mix the images. Yes, these are the images. This is the file that we have created. So when you come back, yes, this is what I wanted. So if you create a new file, it is here, index.html. Then let's create another file called style.css and press enter. So we have index.html plus style.css. This is for styling. So when you come to HTML, just type doc as usual for those that I have been moving with. Once you press enter, it gives you a starting point, and here you can get started writing your HTML code. So at this point, let's first import our HTML, our CSS, and we do link rel equals style sheet. So left equals /style.css. There we have imported our CSS. So let me open this. It's blank just because nothing we have done so far. So let's try making something. So within your body, let's begin by putting the background. Let's put a div. We'll put a div. Let's give it a class of background. Within this, okay, let's try to use this way. Let's create a div. Within this div, let's use image. Let's say image class equals background. So we'll have a source we'll have a source dot slash images, then we have the background, and you close. So that's the source. You can come here and save your work if you come here, but you can use autosave. It automatically saves your work. So when you come back, we see that the image is now here, but it's not in a proper way that we need. Let's first style this and see. So if we are to style, let's first say the whole body will have a margin of 0 plus padding of 0. Let's say box sizing will be border box. So from there we'll have a class, this background class. Let's say dot background, which is the class that is represented by this dot. So background, we say background size will be cover, and width will be 100%, and when we come to the height will be 100%, and then I think that's it. So then from that let's come back to the HTML and let's insert the road. Let's insert the road where the plane will be moving. So you will come and copy the whole of this, and then you will paste it here, and you just change this class to road, and then the image source will be this road. So we see that the road has been is now here. So when we come back here to the styling and put the road, we will say that width of the road will be 100%. I think that's it. So now since it's now fine, and then if we come back, let's import the plane here at the top. Let's remove this, and we shall say that let this class be plane, and then the image source will be this airplane. So if we come back, we see that the airplane has been inserted, but it's in a wrong place. Let's try to see that we can fix it so that it can get to the right position. So from there we'll come here, we'll come to styling. We'll use this plane class, and we come to the styling dot plane, and so width will be let's use width, let's give it 500 pixels plus the position, let the position be absolute, and then let's give it a margin top of 500 pixels plus margin left to be 75 pixels. So if we come back here, let me use this to be 75%. Yeah, let me add an overflow to be hidden in the background, and let me add this body here, body, and also say overflow hidden. Yeah, alright. As we continue, first of all, let me first comment out this one, the body, and you see now let's first try to see how we can make this airplane move. Almost it's the main focus, to see how you can make it move. Now you'll come here and put animation move. Let's put 4 seconds, linear infinite. After doing that, this is the main focus move. Copy it, then let's come here and say at keyframes, let's say at keyframes move at 0%, transform translate x 0 pixels. At the next point we have at 50%, we'll put transform translate x minus 400 pixels. Another thing we have is 100%. Transform translate x minus 1200, and then from that translate y minus 500 pixels, and from that rotate, because when the airplane the airplane is leaving the ground, it rotates a bit. There it makes a small angle as it goes up, so it will rotate. It will rotate 30 degrees. So if we are to come back, here is what we wanted to do. So you see, when the airplane comes, it rotates a bit as it is leaving the ground. It comes straight, then rotates a bit. So that's what we wanted to do. And if this video has been so helpful to you, and if you've liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new content. So share the content to your friends and subscribe to the channel. So see you now in the next video.